Feast of Ostara is held every year around the 21st of March on the spring equinox. It's a fertility festival that celebrates the arrival of spring, the return of the goddess, and the awakening of nature. In England, the Saxons dedicated this to Eoster, the goddess of fertility. Ostara is also the name of a Germanic goddess of fertility. Other pagan traditions honor the green goddess and the lord of the woods. All the festivities related to the spring equinox revolved around the fields and sowing. People used to pray for moderate rains and enough sunshine to warm the soil and allow growth. Another distinctive feature of this festival is spiritual in nature. It's a time to banish negative influences and drive out bad habits, so it's especially appropriate for banishing spells, whether aimed at things or people, as much as they like to deny it. Christians have actually appropriated a lot of old pagan rituals and traditions, and this one is no exception. Hence the decorated eggs of Easter. Those are no different to the eggs that were used as an offering to the goddess of fertility. As mentioned, deities to celebrate or invoke at this time are Eoster or Ostara. If you'd like to decorate your altar for this occasion, I recommend hard-boiled eggs decorated or painted in bright colors to symbolize fertility, lucky charms, such as a 4-leaves clover or a lucky penny. If you garden, place some seeds or new sprouts on the altar too. Suitable flowers include all spring flowers such as tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, violets. The incense I picked is jasmine. If you can get your hands on a few leaves or a branch of willow tree, that's great. Green, yellow, mauve, or pink candles will do. I'm putting a red jasper stone on my altar too, and the Empress Tarot card. When it comes to food during Ostara, all shoots are considered sacred. The first mustard and dandelion leaves were a wonderful gift, considering that our ancestors consumed almost no fresh food during the winter. To celebrate Persephone's return from the underworld, edible flowers were added as a garnish to salads. But the best food on Ostara remains the eggs, as they remain the universal symbol of fertility. So if you feel like adapting your menu to this festival, how about some salads of young shoots garnished with edible flowers such as violets, alfalfa, hard-boiled eggs decorated with patterns, or painted in bright colors. You can dip them in water where you had previously boiled beetroots or spinach to color them in red or green or turmeric water to make them turn yellow. Deviled eggs garnished with parsley or chives work too, omelets, quiches. For sweets, how about some sweet egg tart or honey cake? If you can get any mead, lucky you. Otherwise, just milk with honey and herbal teas will do well. Are you celebrating Ostara? Let me know in the comments below. May the goddess visit you and bring along prosperity, abundance, better times, warmer weather, and glorious days. Stay blessed.